Welcome to my channel. Let us continue a new topic, vectors. An n tuple of a set n of n linears of n similar things. If the place of every member of a set is fixed, then it is called ordered set. When it is called ordered set, if place of every members are fixed, it is called ordered set. And any ordered n tuple of a number is called n vectors. Thus, the coordinates of the point in a space is 3 vectors. You have 3 components. Okay, the members of the set called component of a vectors. You have 3 components, so it is 3 vectors. If you have n components, x1, x2, x3 and so on, xn components, then it is called n vector. Okay, in the matrices, if you have x1, x2, x3 in the row form, it is called row. It is called in a row form, it is called a vector. Okay, and if you have in the column form x1, x2, x3, if you have in a column form, it is a column form, it is also called as a vector. Okay, it is also called as, if you have a column matrix, it is called column matrix. Okay, it will be clear for you to tell column matrix. Okay, it is a column matrix, it is called a vector. If the components are in the row matrix, it is called a vector. Okay, now let us continue. Linearly independence and dependence of vectors. Vector x1, x2, x3 are said to be dependent if all the vectors are of same order, either row matrix vectors are same order, or either column matrix vector are also same order. If scalars lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and so on, lambda 1, not all 0 exists. If not all 0 exists, such that we have to equate this equation to 0. Okay, this is linear dependence. Otherwise, if we can't equate this equation to 0, it is called linearly dependent. Okay, for you to understand clearly, I'll show you with a problem. Now, linearly dependence means if this is the matrix which has been given, and find the relationship between them. We have to find what is the relationship between them. Consider the matrix. Okay, we have to write in the form lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3 plus lambda 4 x4, because there are 4 components. I am taking 4 values. Okay, now lambda 1 into, we have to write 1 0 2 1 plus lambda 2 into 3 1 2 1 plus lambda 3 into 4 6 2 minus 4 plus lambda 4 into minus 6 0 minus 3 and minus 4. Equate these values to 0. Now how we can write it? Lambda 1 plus 3 into lambda 2 plus 4 into lambda 3 plus minus 6 into lambda 4. Okay, write the equations. We have to write taking the first components only. Okay, and the second one is here 0, don't take this. Here 1 means 1 into lambda 2 plus here 6 into lambda 3. Here 0 into lambda 4 means value will be 0, so don't take that. And third one is 2 into lambda 1 plus third one 2 into lambda 2 plus 2 into lambda 3 minus 3 into lambda 4. This is the third equation. The fourth one is lambda 1 plus lambda 2 minus 4 into lambda 3 minus 4 into lambda 4. This is the fourth component values. Okay, these are the 4 equations. Now you have these 4 equations. Now you have to write in the form of a lambda equal to 0. Okay, I have said you last time ax equals to b. In this form only I am writing, but you have the values here 0. It is a homogeneous equation, so I am writing a lambda into 0 form. How you can write like this? 1 3 4 minus 6, and this value is 1 1 sorry, this value here you have Lambda 1 value is 0, so I am taking 0 here. 0. Lambda 2 value is 1. Lambda 3 value is 6. Lambda 4 value is also 0. And write 2, 2, 2, minus 3, 1, 1, minus 4, minus 4. Okay, the last equations 1, 1, minus 4, minus 4 I am writing here now. Now what is the lambda values? Lambda 1, lambda 2, lambda 3 and lambda 4. Here all the values are there. What is the equation here? 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, where b value is has been given as 0. Do the elementary transformation. Elementary transformation method here. Okay, which means now here R3 implies R3 minus 2 into R1 and also R4 implies R4 minus R1. Okay, R4 implies R4 minus R1, R3 implies R3 minus 2 into R1. How we can write? 1, 3, 4, minus 6, 0, 1, 6, 0, R3. 2 minus 2 into 1, 2 minus 2 into 3, 2 minus 2 into 4, minus 3 minus 2 into minus 6. Okay, R3 minus R1. Okay, now 1 minus 1, 1 minus 3, minus 4, minus 4, minus 4, minus of minus 6. Yeah, the values becomes like this here. Okay, minus 4, minus of minus 6. The values are becoming like this here. Okay, now calculate and write it. Now what are the values that will become? Okay, 1, 3, 4, minus 6, 3, 4, minus 6, 0, 1, 6, 0. And here 2 minus 2 value 0, 2 minus 6 value minus 4, 2 minus 8 value minus 6, minus 3 plus 12. Minus 3 plus 12 is 9. And minus 1 0, 1 minus 3 minus 2, minus 4 minus 8 here, minus 4 plus 6 2. Okay, these are the vectors that we minus 4 minus 6, these are the vectors that we got here. Minus 4 plus 6, okay, plus 2. Okay, these are the vectors that we got here. Now make these values divide R4 implies R4 by 2. Okay, now what you get? 1, 3, 4, minus 6, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 6, 9, and here 0 and okay, minus 1, minus 4, 1. Okay, minus 1, minus 4, 1. Now make this value as R4 minus 4 into R4 minus R3. Okay, 4 into R4 minus R3 means you have to take 1, 3, 4, minus 6, 0, 1, 6, 0 and 4 into in R4 matrix. I am making this in R4 implies 4 into R4 minus R3. Okay, 0, minus 4, minus 6, 9. Okay, and now here 0, 4 into 0, minus 0, minus 1 into 4 into minus 1, minus of minus 4, 4 into minus 4, minus of minus 6, 4 into 1, minus 9. Here these values becomes like this. What these values becomes? 1, 3, 4, minus 6, 0, 1, 6, 0, 0, minus 4, minus 6, 9. And what this value becomes? 0 minus 0, 0, minus 4 plus 4, 0, minus 16 plus 6, 10, 4 minus 9, minus 5. This values becomes 10 minus 5. This values becomes 10 minus 5. Now also make R4 implies R4 by 5. Okay, now what these values become? 1 3 4 minus 6 1 0 6 0 0 minus 4 minus 6 9. What the last values become? 0 0 2 minus 1. Okay, now make these values as r. R4 implies R4 minus, sorry, 3 into R4 plus R3, 3 into R4 plus R3. Okay, now make R3 implies R3 plus 4 into R2 here. Okay, 1 3 4 minus 6 0 1 6 9 0 and 3 minus 4 plus 4 into 1 minus 6 plus 4 into 6 9 plus 4 into 0. Okay, here 0 0 2 minus 1. Okay, now this values becomes 1 1 3 4 minus 6 0 1 6 9 and 0 minus 4 plus 4 0 minus 4 plus 24 minus 6. Here minus 6 plus 24 is 18 and 9 plus 0 is 9 and 0 0 2 1. Okay, now here make 3 R3 implies R3 by 9. Okay, make R3 implies R3 by 9. Now what these values become? 1 3 4 minus 6 0 1 6 9 0 0 2 1 0 0 2 1. Okay, make R4 implies R4 minus R3. Okay, R4 implies R4 minus R3. What these values becomes? 1 3 4 minus 6 0 1 6 9 0 0 2 1 and 0 0 2 minus 2 0 1 minus 1 0. So all the values becomes like this. Okay, now by using this we will form the vector. Now what the values are they? Lambda 1 lambda 2 lambda 3 lambda 4. These are the values and we have to equate these values to 0. Okay, multiply these two values. Okay, what it becomes? Lambda 1 plus 3 into lambda 2 plus 4 into lambda 3 minus 6 into lambda 4. These are the values that becomes, and lambda 2 plus 6 lambda 3 plus 9 lambda 4. We have to equate these values to 0, and 2 into lambda 3 plus lambda 4, which is equals to 0. Okay, by using this equation we have to find the values of lambda 1 lambda 2 and lambda 3. Here in this equation put lambda 4 equals to t. Means what is the value of lambda? T becomes 2 into lambda 3 plus t equals to 0. Means 2 into lambda 3 is equals to minus 3. What is the value of lambda 3? T by 2. This is the value of lambda 3. Okay, now put this lambda 3 value in this equation. Means lambda 2 plus what is 6 into minus t by 2 equals to 0. Means lambda 2 equals lambda 2 2 ones 2 threes. Okay, minus 3t equals to 0 means lambda 2 value equals to 3t. We got the lambda 2, we got the lambda 3. What is the lambda 4 value here? So substitute all these three values in this equation. Okay, what is this values? Lambda 1 plus 3 into what is the value? We got lambda 2 value 3t plus 4 into what is the lambda 3 value? Minus t by 2 minus 6 into t equals to 0 means lambda 1 plus 9t 2 ones 2 twos minus 2t minus 6t equals to 0 here. So what is the lambda 1? Plus 9 minus 8 9t minus 8t equals to 0 means lambda 1 plus t equal to 0. What is the value of lambda 1? Minus t value we got here. Okay, what is the value of lambda 1 value? Lambda 1 value is minus t value. What we took the equation 1 value, lambda 1 x1 plus lambda 2 x2 plus lambda 3 x3 plus lambda 4 x4 values in the equation. Okay, this is the equation value. So we have to put all the lambdas values in this, means minus t x1 plus what is the value of lambda 2, 3t x2 plus minus t by 2 x3. What is the value of lambda 4 plus t x4 equals to 0, means what is the value here, minus 2t x1 plus 6t x2 minus t x3 plus t 2t, taking the LCM here, 2t x4 equals to 0. Okay, these are the values of lambdas. So remove all the t's here, minus 2 x1 plus 6 x2 minus x3 plus 2 x4 equals to 0. I am removing all the t's from here. So this is the required vector. These are the required value using the vectors. Okay, minus 2 plus 6. This video becomes a little bit lengthy. The sum becomes a little bit lengthy. If you see more the sums, you will be clear in this. Okay, please like, share and subscribe. If you have any doubts, in my explanation, please comment me the doubts. Okay, please like, share and subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.